Hello everyone, welcome to my Leatherman is Rusty Part 1. This little Leatherman style CS is what I carry around with me pretty much all the time. If I don't have any other knives on me, this one will come out in my pocket. It's ever so useful. It's small and mighty. It's got a really sharp blade on it. It's got a pair of scissors, nail file and some tweezers. It's a really useful item. I've had this little critter for about 4 years now, and a while ago it started to develop some rust, and I keep trying to wipe it off, but every time it comes back it's getting worse. Now I don't abuse this at all. It doesn't stay in wet environments, etc. It just goes in my pocket, and I might have some grease on my hands that goes on it when I go to use it, but that's pretty much about it. I did carry around a little Victorinox for years and I never had a rust issue whatsoever. But on this little man, now I've started to get rust, it just seems to be getting worse and worse. I kind of know that these rust up a little bit. If any of you out there have owned Leathermans and you've got the same issues as me, let me know how you deal with the rust, how you keep it off. I'd be interested to know in the comments. Something we can share with everyone. I've been looking at all kinds of products to get rid of rust. I don't really want to go out and buy anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to soak it in some white vinegar. This is 5% acidity. White vinegar is fantastic around the home for cleaning, etc. So as I've got this to hand, this is what I'm going to use. So I'll just pop them in a little container, add some vinegar without getting it everywhere, hopefully. What I'm going to do is give them a little scrub with a toothbrush in a few hours time, just to give it a bit of agitation, and then just leave it till tomorrow and see what happens. If you've got any hints or tips on how to keep Leathermans free of rust, please let me know in the comments. If you're interested to know if this actually works, and also what I plan to treat this with tomorrow to prevent further rust, I'll see you in the next one. InfoZhed out.